Hi guys, it's Chris from Car Sound Security. Okay, so what we've got today is a McLaren 570S. What we've installed is a Meta S5 deadlock. The way it works is no tag, no start. So after 3 minutes after switching the car off, once the tag, the key fob, is out of proximity, which is there, not both of them, you only need one's a spare. When it's out of proximity, the vehicle won't start. It's completely fully immobilized and it's not going anywhere. The way it works, when you get into the vehicle, you sit down. After about 4 or 5 seconds, the vehicle will then start as normal. All right. So the way it works, no tag, no start, guys. All right. So if you guys got any performance cars or you need anything done, whether it be a Mercedes C-Class, a Mercedes C63 AMG, even goes for a McLaren 570S. Guys, if you need any insurance-approved trackers installed, give us a call on 0208 554 5554. That's 0208 554 5554. Or you can email us at info@carsoundsecurity.com. So remember the Meta S5 deadlock, guys, insurance approved tracker with immobilization. No tag, no start. Thanks for watching, guys.